Hi, this is Tom Arbuthnot and we're at UC EXPO in London and we're here on the Polycom stand. Steve, you just want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, Steve Blackman, UC Solution Architect at Polycom, focusing on our Microsoft solutions.
Cool. Quite a busy show here at London, and Steve, we should take a minute to see what Polycom was showing at the show.
Yeah, absolutely. We got a couple of sections on the booth here. I'm focusing on the Real Connect for Office 365. We're launching the cloud video interop service in the UK. That'll be middle of June timeframe. Launched in the US. So I'm here providing demonstrations for customers.
And this is interop as a service. So
this is cloud video interop, absolutely, from the Azure cloud. So it's natively acquired through the Office 365 portal. Subscribe to the service, apply the licenses for your users, and then they're able to create meeting invitations that includes interop access for legacy video conferencing devices.
Yeah,
legacy.
Yeah. Like non-Polycom as well, importantly. So
Polycom absolutely. Any standards-based SIP or H.323 based video endpoint, including immersive telepresence systems, so your CTSs and the like.
Yeah. So you've got some Cisco or another non-Polycom that you're going to rip out at some point anyway, endpoints maybe, but you want to make them work with Office 365. This is how it works.
This is how it works, absolutely. So providing interop between those devices and your Skype clients, and using the Skype business workflow, right?
Awesome.
So using the
camera in, but while you're taking a look at the invite.
So standard Skype meeting invitation, but with some additional information posted here. And this is actually showing the dial-in information for the video interop service. So I'm licensed for the service. As a Skype user, I go ahead and simply click to join the Skype meeting. My Skype client pops up just exactly as you would. Any natively integrated Skype endpoint would also be clicked to join the service. So here we are. I'm on the call. Let me start my video. We've got a nice challenging audio environment here because of the show. So, right, nothing spectacular there. I'm a Skype for Business client connected to the meeting. Over here, what we've got is this is actually a Polycom group series based codec, standards based. I'm not connected to any call control environment whatsoever. This is just connected to the internet. Absolutely standalone. So this could be Cisco, life size. We had the life size unit from across the way in the call yesterday. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call into my demonstration. So the dial string you saw there was for the video interop service. I enter the lobby. From my Skype client, I can see I've got a participant waiting to join the meeting. I click admit. That's simply because the way I've got the meeting set up, right?
And so on the back end, what's happening here is the user doesn't know, but the standards-based room system's hitting the Azure Polycom service. That's going into the Skype meeting. So to the user, it's a seamless experience.
Absolutely. User doesn't realise where they're ending up. They're being hosted in a cloud service, video interop, transcoding the video between the two systems. So that's my Skype client. On my Skype client, we're seeing our camera lady and the video from this device here. I can go ahead and share content from my Skype client. What will happen is that will then be transcoded and delivered to the standards-based video endpoint. And you can see we're using VBSS from the Skype client here, and the update time on, this is live video coming through as content, and this is actually heading out to our servers in the US and back, so this is pretty awesome.
So if people want to find out more about this, what's the best thing to do?
The best thing to do is contact your Polycom rep or call into to Polycom, request a demo. We'll take you up to the briefing center in the EC, and you can see all of this, including the natively integrated solutions.
Awesome. Thanks, Steve.
You're welcome.